Hello everybody and welcome to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple alarm clock using 15 lines of simple Python code, and it is really the simplest code I've ever seen in my life. So this is most of people's first project is printing hello world, but my first project was this only. So this was a really it is a really good starter project. So I'm going to be showing you first how it works. So I'm just going to save this file, and through the terminal, this is my terminal, so I'm just going to clear the slate. And as you can see, I'm in my desktop directory, and I have my Python file right here. I'll just type Python as the name of the file after that. So it is asking me what hour do you want to wake up. So I'm gonna be typing as it is 9:28 right now. I will be typing 9, and then to show you guys I will just write in 29, then there would be PM. And whenever the clock ticks to 29, it will automatically send in a message and to tell you to wake up. So I'm going to be doing some advanced versions of this, so in this video only. So first I'm going to be showing you just an input, just an output that the terminal would print. Then I would be showing you how you can alert yourself using a desktop notification library named WinSound. So we'll get back to that, and any second now it will be turned. And I would really appreciate if you, as you can see now, it has wrote the message here wake up is yes, and it has just broke the whole code. So this is a simple code that I was talking about, and I will just erase all of it, and I will guide you guys from every step. So first I'm gonna import date and time, and next I'm gonna be creating a few input variables. So the first variable that I'm gonna be creating is r. So r would be is equals to an int. I would be doing an input, and then the message that I would be typing is what r do you want to wake up. So what hour do you want to wake up? So you can type any message you want, and then I am going to type a minute. So minute would again be int. There would be a bracket, then there would be input. There would be input, then again parenthesis and quotation marks. What minute do you want to wake up? You can type any message you want. And the last thing that we are gonna take in as input is the AM/PM. So I'm just gonna write AM. So AM/PM is equals to int input. I'm just gonna write AM or PM. So but instead of this, I'm gonna be taking in a string. After you have done that, you can head on to the next line, that is the next statement. So this is of the 24 hour and 12-hour clock format. So basically date and time is a module which only takes 24-hour format into consideration. So what we're going to do is that we are going to create turn the 12-hour format and 24-hour format for the date and time variable to understand. So that is, we are going to head on to an if statement, that is again, so in brackets there would be AM PM is equals to if we input a PM, so we just in R we have to in R we just have to add 12. That's it. After you have done that, you can head on to the next one, that is a while loop. So you have to create an infinite while loop. You can either write true, or you can also write in bracket 1 is equals to 1. It doesn't matter, because both of these are infinite loops. So that would be true. I would be using this. You can use 1 is equals to 1 if you want. Then if, and if, so the date and time, if it would be similar to the date and time that we have specified, it will print the message. So right here I am gonna be writing if, so r, the r word of date dot date time dot now in parenthesis dot hour, then and there would be a space right here. Then yeah, after that I'm going to specify minute is equals to same date time dot now. Then there would be dot minute. Yeah, and that's it. That's the if statement. Now you have to go and put a colon, then just have to print any statement you want. I'm gonna be printing a lazy ass. It's time to wake. Yeah, and then we would just break the loop. So yeah, break. And that's the whole code that we need. I'm just gonna save this file and I'm head on to the terminal. And after that, I'm again gonna run this file. And as you can see now we have a syntax error. That is because we didn't put a colon in front of the if loop. After you have done that, you can right here again run this file. And as you can see, we have an error again. The error is that so basically it would be, yeah, so it would be indented. So yeah, that is the indent. We would save it. Last time, yeah, so there are some problems right here. So you have to put a double equals to right here, then right here, save this file, run the last time, and there you go. Yeah, and yeah, as you can see now we're just gonna run the code through the terminal. So we are gonna run it. Then it is asking us what hour do I want to wake up. So yeah, I already showed you the demo. So I'll catch up to you in the next section of this code, next section of this video. That is how you can produce sound and a desktop notification for the alarm clock. So I'll see you then. Hello everybody and welcome back. So now in this part of the video I'm going to be showing you how basically how you can make the same clock, but this time the clock will basically it will have an alarm tone and it will also print some things in the terminal. That is like if it is time for you to wake up, it will just say, hey lazy ass, it is time for you to wake up. But if not, it will just press it will just write not yet. And you can tell like the computer how many times in how many seconds interval you have to write this. So I have chose 10. You can choose anything you want, or you can just get it. So basically, I'm going to be walking you through the whole code. But first, I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to be setting this as 20 and this to 8. That is, yeah, 8. And I'll just go onto my terminal and I'll run that. And in a few seconds, we will hear a tone, and when it is uh, 10:08, basically in 20 seconds. And yeah, so after every 20 seconds it just prints not yet, and it will just take up your CPU's RAM. If you, yeah, so in 5 seconds, yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, the song was activated, and you can just get rid of that. And I hope you are just frustrated of getting up with the same alarm voice every morning. So I think this will be a game changer for you. And this is a really easy code, and it is just completed in 15 lines. So I'll walk you and I'll guide you through the whole code. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete this, and I am gonna. So now what we are gonna do is that we are gonna import some libraries. So uh, yeah, so basically now we are gonna import. So first you have to import a library named time. So import time. Then we simply have to go and so from date time import. So from date time you have to import date time. So and so from date time you have to import date time, and after that you have to go on from play sound. You have to import play sound. So from from play sound you have to import play sound. This is the library that will help you to play the sound once it is time for your alarm. Then we'll just set a variable. I will name it alarm time. So a alarm time, it would be alarm time. After that it will be equals to the time that you want the alarm to be set off. So I'm gonna be, so for demonstration I'm gonna be like, it is 10:10 right now, so I'm gonna be writing. So you have to write it in 24-hour clock format. So it is 10 p.m, so I would be writing 22, and that would be in a code with a colon, and that would be with a colon, that would be, as it is 10, I will be choosing 15. Once the tutorial ends, it will not take more than 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go into an infinite while loop. So that is while true. I'm sorry. Yeah. So while true, you have to write local time. So it would be LCL time, short for local time. Local time is equals to date time dot now and bracket st, that would be strf time. Then you have to specify the format. So the format that you've written right here would be percentage hours, it would be right here percentage hours, then colon, there would be percentage minutes. That is specify the same format that is specified right here, so that is hours and then minutes. After that you can head on to the next line, that is if local time is equals to alarm time. So you can go ahead, and if that is equals to, you can just play sound. So you have to play the sound so you can download the sound if you want. I'll leave the links down in the description. There is no copyright, and you can download it for free just by creating an account at that website. So the sound that I'm going to be using, it is in my desktop, that is named alarm. And as you can see, this is the alarm file, and make sure that the file is in the same directory which is the Python file, or if it is not, you just have to specify the whole thing, that is so desktop, and then you have to specify the whole directory. So I'm going to be spreading alarm dot wave. You have to play the sound of this, then you just have to break. while loop. And after that, after you have broken it, you can head to the next line, indented, else you can just write print not yet, not yet, and you can write the time interval which you want not yet to be printed by the computer. So the less the time interval you choose, the more your CPU and the RAM will be used. So I'm going to be choosing a longer time because, so yeah, I'm going to be choosing 20 seconds. So there would be time sleep, so time dot sleep, there would be 20 seconds. Yeah, so that's the whole code. I'm just going to save it. As you can see, it is just 13. So yeah, I'm gonna be writing 14 right here because I don't think, yeah, so I'm gonna be writing 14. So we can write 14 right here. I will just save, cancel it, save. So yeah, we have done that. We can just save the file once again and we'll run it. So yeah, as you can see, it is just printing not yet, and in just 15 seconds you will hear that the time was click and not yet would be not printed anymore, and the alarm.wave file that we just specified right here, that was in the same directory, will set off. So yeah, in, yeah, so now any second now. So as you can see, alarm.wave file was set up. So yeah, this is a really good way, and now I showed you two ways how you can, yeah, just, yeah, so that was really loud. So yeah, now I'm gonna now I've showed you two ways how to make a simple alarm clock and then a really advanced alarm clock. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button down there and subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can, and I'll see you next time.